Julian Koto. If you could go back in time and talk to yourself, what age would you choose and what would you say? If you can go back in time and talk to yourself, what age would you choose and what would you say? Julian Koto.
Thank you, Mr. Toastmaster. If I could go back in time, I would choose a time when I was 20 years old. Yesterday I had a new revelation. I just finished a personality test. And I had a long discussion with the industrial psychologist that administered the test. And I found out that I am over 90% D, a driver, and over 90% I, a socializer.
Oh.
I'm an engineer. I didn't understand why I had been so frustrated for all these years going to school. Engineers are high S and high C. Totally opposite to what I am. And it was a very hard road to follow in the engineering curriculum because I was different than by what she tells me what other engineers were. I'm the kind of guy that's driving the cart, pushing it forward, and engineers are analyzers. They analyze everything to death. Mitch Phillip this morning says, well, didn't you read the email? I said, no, I just filled out the form. That's my D and my I personality. And so I've lived frustrated for all these years, and if I would have known at the age of 20 years old that I was a D and an I might have made a different career choice. And I would have made a career choice that was more in line with my D and an I. I would have, for instance, been something like Fidel Castro. If I would have known that, I would have been El Presidente of Cuba, and I would have led my own revolution. And everybody would have had to do what I said, which is why I always get in trouble. Thank you, Mr. Taylor.